If you want to make your presentation look smoother and more professional, in this video I'll show you exactly how to add a slide transition in LibreOffice Impress. This is a simple but powerful way to make your slides feel more polished, whether you're creating a school project, business presentation, or training deck. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have a presentation saved, you can open that file right away. If not, on the left side under Create, click Impress Presentation to start a new presentation from scratch. Once your presentation is open, take a moment to look through your slides and decide which one you want to add a transition to first. Now click on the slide you want to edit. This is important because the transition you choose will apply to the selected slide. If you want a different effect for different slides, you'll need to select each one individually. But if you want the same effect across the whole presentation, you can apply it to all slides later. Next, look on the right side of the LibreOffice Impress window. You should see the slide transition panel. If it's not visible, make sure your sidebar is open because that's where all the transition options are located. Once you find the slide transition section, click it to expand the available settings. Inside the slide transition panel, you'll see a list of transition effects. These are the animations that play when you move from one slide to the next. Scroll through the list and choose the one that fits your presentation style. Some effects are subtle and professional, while others are more dynamic and attention-grabbing. For most presentations, a clean and simple transition works best because it keeps the focus on your content. After choosing a transition, you can adjust the speed if you want the effect to happen faster or slower. You may also see options for sound and timing depending on your version of LibreOffice. If you want a little extra polish, you can experiment with these settings, but be careful not to overdo it. A smooth transition is usually better than something too distracting. If you only want the transition on the selected slide, you're almost done. But if you want the same transition on every slide in the presentation, click Apply Transition to all slides. This is a great time-saving option when you want your deck to look consistent from start to finish. Just make sure the transition you chose is the one you really want, because it will be applied throughout the presentation. Once you've applied the transition, you can preview your slideshows to see how it looks in action. This is a good way to check whether the effect feels natural and whether the timing works well with your content. If it feels too fast, too slow, or too flashy, you can always come back and change it. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a slide transition in LibreOffice Impress. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how professional your presentation looks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.